Whenever you do that, I can't, dude.
Did he go away?
I opened the valve.
Why do they go away when I want to get you on video?
Oh man, those ones hurt, man. It was like deep down in there. It's like there's usually hiccups come right down there. But
So maybe with our research, we have found that that the camera,
your breath, dude. Something's deep.
the camera will stop someone from doing the hiccups.
Well, my mission president, when we were in conferences with him, there's a kid, an elder, that got hiccups. He says, I bet you $100 you can't do another hiccup. Dude, he didn't hiccup.
What do these hiccups sound like?
They're just... like that, dude.
Dude, okay, we better get to our next appointment.
We gotta go. Bye.